Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. With this video I want to simply explain a few things that I have done in the recording of Kiss the Rain that has been published on my artistic channel. So I am using the best of Yiruma. I should say that is an official music sheet because there is the signature of Yiruma on top. So I decided to use this one because I thought that maybe it's the most official one. But then comparing this music sheet to the recording that has exactly the same cover, I have noticed that is not really matching, and I have decided to, by simply listening, to understand which one is the difference between this version of Kiss the Rain and the one that has been published with the same logo or picture. Because there is a double recording that I think that is also from Yiruma. One is with the piano and with some writing on the piano, but it's not the one matching the recording that I made. So, I want to go straight to the real and main difference. So the difference is that Yiruma doesn't go straight to the modulation, so from A flat major, because we are in A flat major, it doesn't go straight on to A major, but it goes back to this part that I can consider like a B section. If you analyze carefully the structure of Kiss the Rain, you will notice that there is a big A section made of 8 bars, repeated with a bit more of intensity and with some extra note, again 8 bars, with obviously slightly different ending. But then there is a B section. This B section is the one that comes straight after this part, instead of going straight onto the A major. So it goes back to this, but it plays it changing some note that has not been printed in this book. Studying, I decided to find these notes by ear. So you won't find them, I keep saying, in the book if you're using the same one. The notes I want to play a bit slower. I hope that now I won't change that much what I have just done in the recording. They sound like, so after the pickup notes, so there is an appoggiatura. Now as well, an auxiliary note. So it starts from F, G, and then goes down to the E flat, so da di da. Here is the same. Also here seems to be the same. Now here is the big difference, it does. So start from the chord in the way it is printed in bar 21, but then add semiquavers on the left. Here should be a triplet. Da, 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 da. I believe there are semiquavers on the left, so I repeat. Da, 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 da. And there is also a change in the melody. Instead of 2 quavers, it does, I think, is a dotted quaver and semiquaver, da, da, with a delay. F, appoggiatura. So the F last one crotchet, I believe. And then obviously it goes on in the same way. So just to explain what I have done and which one should be the notes that Yiruma is played and that are not written anywhere. At least I've even tried to buy the music sheet that he's selling on his website, and not even from that version comes out what he plays. I thought that maybe something appreciated by everybody, and I hope that he would appreciate as well. That's it. Then some small difference that I've noticed also. It's related to some dynamics and some small detail, like for example here I've noticed a diminuendo that is not printed in the book. Also a kind of small ritardato, but this is definitely normal. A very good musician like Yiruma has these feelings. Not everything has to be written down, yeah? Plus, I've added a ritardando here that I feel I've noticed. I've noticed also this ritardando in bar 49 has been anticipated, and it definitely starts not from the beginning of bar 49 but from 48. A very interesting thing that this is my decision, my opinion, is the use of the middle pedal of any good digital piano and of the grand pianos. I have used the middle pedal in few cases. For example, I've used one in bar 8 just to have a very clean bass held for the whole bar. Then I've used it again at the end of bar 15, that is the last bar of the first page. I've used the middle pedal also in bar 24. I have used it again in bar 32, in bar 39, that is obviously the one that is matching bar 15, and that's it. Regarding the middle pedal, these are the times I've used, obviously according also to the repeat that I have respected according to the recording, to the official recording of Yiruma. Then there is a thing that I have noticed in the recording. Here, for example, in the second last bar of the piece, the notes of the left hand are crotchets, quarter notes. I have noticed that they are not really quarter notes. They sound exactly like quavers. Now, I don't know if he was really willing to keep the time signature and not changing only for once to 2, 4. But anyways, here there are crotchets. What I've noticed from the recording that he's playing quavers, and I have tried to really go close to that feeling, because it definitely makes sense. By playing crotchets, you slow down too much everything, and then you speed up, adding the triplets in the last bar. So, just, to add a few more things, yeah? I don't think that there is anything else that I should mention. These are the main changes that I have decided to make, especially for respecting the recording. If you have any question, feel free to contact me to ask anything you think that you would like to discover more about my recording and about Kiss the Rain from my experience, yeah? Anyways, thank you very much for today, and see you in the next video.